Hello, this is Summer from ZIQI company. Welcome to our factory. Here is our ready-to-ship products area, and that is for our machine for testing. Uh, to, Today, let us focus on this single-stage frequency screw air compressor. This is the uh, 55 kilowatt and 75 horsepower screw air compressor. Now let us check the component list. The first one is the key parts of the L ends. The L end adopts the ZIQI customer host with well-designed male and female rotor adopt the most advanced choose type in contemporary international with high-quality carbon steel by the precision grinding and into to ensure the best with the gap. The exhaust of the L end using SKF tapered roller bearings, greatly extending the service life according to DIN standard design and the manufacture of high precision growth steel, carrying capacity, long life, low noise. Here, here is the air intake valve. It has the function of follow stepless control, and the intake valve controls the cylinder and the normal operating life over 1 million times. The next one is the motor. It adopts Brazil WEG IE4 motor. WEG is the second biggest motor manufacturer in the world. It has 26 factories in 11 countries around the world and produce more than 55,000 motors annually. With the IP55 protection, Class 5 insulation, B temperature rise to make sure the motor could suitable for any hard environment. In order to make better use of the high efficiency of the motor and the L end, it is very important to find a way to transmit the power from the motor to the L end most effectively. The L end is directly driven by the elastic coupling of the German KTR, which combines the motor and the L end into one, with high transmission efficiency and reliable operation. For the air oil vessel, we're using Euro brand from Italian with advanced welding technology, machine production technology, special drilling to ensure the welding quality, and over the dimension of the equipment, and conduct various tests in strict accordance with the specifications. The next is for the oil tube. It adopts a unique reverse look technology of the ZIQI compressor to prevent oil leakage. Use Italian manually high pressure tubing, which is resistant to high temperature and pressure and has a lifespan of 5 times longer than ordinary tube. Next, let's see the ZIQI air compressor electronic system. For the air compressor electronic system, we are using Schneider brand. price Schneider brand. It well known in the world. As for the frequency inverter, its ZIQI customers, we name this series air compressor with VFC. This air compressor principle of stable exhaust pressure, the rotate speed of end and motor could be changed precisely in according to the change of the machine air compressor consumption, so that the air compressor only output how much air consumption you need, and at the same time only consume the necessary energy to output these quantities of the air, so that to achieve the purpose of saving energy. The last point is for the about the noise treatment of the air compressor. ZIQI using environmentally friendly car seals. It has sound insulation, smoke, water, fire, and wind, and we also use sound absorbing sponge. The sound absorbing water stopping film is made to have a good sound absorbing effect and a water stopping and function. And the material as a whole complies with the EU environmental standards. So let's see today, this is our presentation of this screw air compressor. We are welcome to your inquiry.